Don't let this happen to your car. Most drivers forget to replace these filters, and the damage can be catastrophic. And this one filter almost no one checks is revealed at the end. And it's responsible for some of the most expensive problems. Number 5. PCV filter. This is a part hardly anyone thinks about. It sits deep in the engine bay and protects your engine from the kind of slow damage that turns into expensive repairs. The PCV filter works with the positive crankcase ventilation system. That system pulls leftover gases from the crankcase and sends them back into the intake so they can burn like normal fuel. The filter cleans those vapors before they enter the intake. It keeps oily mist and dust out of the engine's breathing path. It also stops tiny dirt particles from sneaking into places where they should never be. When the PCV filter is fresh, the whole engine breathes better. Vapors move out on time. Moisture escapes instead of hanging around. Pressure stays under control. The oil stays cleaner for more miles. Cleaner oil means less sludge. It means smoother lubrication. It protects bearings, rings, and camshafts. Many engines reach huge mileages because their ventilation system stayed healthy. Now, think about what happens when the PCV filter clogs. Pressure begins to build. Blow-by gases cannot escape. That pressure pushes oil past seals and gaskets. You start seeing wet valve covers or oil on the driveway. Sometimes the vapors travel backwards and drag oil into the intake. That leaves sticky buildup everywhere. At the same time, ventilation slows down. Moisture and fuel vapors stay trapped inside the crankcase. Those mix with hot oil and create sludge. Sludge blocks passages and increases friction. It can even harm timing parts or clog the oil pickup. A clogged PCV system also affects how the engine burns fuel. The mixture can swing rich or lean. That leads to misfires, rough idle, hesitation, and poor fuel economy. It can shorten the life of oxygen sensors and the catalytic converter. In real life, drivers often notice higher oil use or smoke from the exhaust. Some notice new oil leaks or a shaky idle. The best part is that the PCV filter is cheap. Replacing it every 30 to 50,000 miles saves you from intake cleaning, leak repairs, and early engine wear. It is a simple protection that keeps the engine clean, strong, and responsive for years. And that strong engine leads straight to something drivers overlook. Number 4. Cabin air filter. The cabin air filter sits deep in the HVAC system, and most drivers forget it even exists. For some drivers, it does not look important at all. In fact, most people forget it even exists. Yet it decides what you breathe every single time the fan is on. It sits in the HVAC ducting and cleans the air before it reaches the cabin. A good filter catches dust, pollen, soot, and road debris. Some filters even trap fumes. That means your lungs deal with less junk, and the HVAC system is not pulling in dirt all day. When the filter is clean, the vents feel smooth. Airflow feels strong at every speed. The heater warms the cabin without effort. The AC cools quickly. Defogging takes seconds instead of minutes. This is a huge deal for anyone with allergies or asthma, because a fresh cabin filter reduces the fine dust that floats around on long drives. A clogged filter cannot do any of that. It keeps recirculating old, dirty air. It fills the cabin with more dust than you notice at first. For the car, this filter also protects important parts. A dirty filter blocks airflow and forces the blower motor to work harder. That extra load wears it out faster. In some cases, the motor overheats and fails early. Some drivers remove the filter to get more airflow, but that lets leaves and dirt get sucked straight into the blower. That debris chews up the fan blades and housing. Repairs cost far more than one filter. Comfort and safety take a hit too. A clogged filter slows down cooling in summer and heating in winter. It also makes defogging difficult in bad weather. Moisture and dirt trapped in the old filter become a home for mold. That is where the musty smell comes from when the fan starts. Over time, that contamination spreads deeper into the HVAC box and becomes expensive to clean. The good news is simple. Cabin filters are cheap and easy to replace. Most cars need one every 12 to 15,000 miles. Changing it on time protects the blower, keeps the system efficient, and gives you cleaner air every day. Now, the clean cabin airflow also echoes the engine's demand for purity. But before getting into that, hit that subscribe button to make sure you never miss the fixes that can save your car from expensive damage. Number 3. Engine air filter. Think of the engine air filter as the bouncer at the front door of your engine. Nothing gets in unless it is clean. Its entire purpose is to block dust, sand, and insects from entering the cylinders. It keeps out the grit that would grind away at metal parts. At the same time, it lets through a massive amount of clean air so the engine can breathe freely. Modern engines depend on a precise air-to-fuel mix. The filter helps protect the hardware and helps the computer maintain that balance. When the filter is clean, the engine breathes with confidence. Air flows in with no struggle. Combustion stays efficient. Acceleration feels steady and smooth. Fuel economy often improves. Workshops report that a clogged filter can drop mileage by up to 10% in some cars. Older systems feel the effect even more. Even on newer engines, a clean filter still sharpens throttle response and reduces strain on the intake system. You get better performance with less fuel wasted. Keep an old filter in there too long, and the problems creep in slowly. Dust fills the pleats. Airflow drops. The engine wants more air, but cannot get it. The computer tries to adjust by adding more fuel. The mixture becomes richer. That wastes fuel and leaves more carbon behind. Drivers begin to feel the difference. Acceleration feels lazy. Idle feels rough. Exhaust smoke can turn dark. The engine works harder on every hill because it is not getting enough air. A dirty filter also puts the engine at risk. Once the media is overloaded, dirt can slip through tiny gaps. Abrasive particles reach the cylinders and act like fine sandpaper. They scrape piston rings, cylinder walls, and valves. Some of that grit ends up in the oil and increases wear everywhere. Long term, this can raise blow-by, contaminate the oil faster, and shorten the life of internal parts. It can even reduce compression if the engine eats dust for years. Sensors also suffer. Extra soot and unburned fuel overload the catalytic converter. Dust can contaminate the mass airflow sensor and trigger warning lights. Those parts cost far more than a simple filter. Most manufacturers recommend changing the engine air filter every 15 to 30,000 miles. The part is cheap and the benefit is big. It keeps the engine strong, efficient, and clean. Ignoring it feels like a small saving today, but it becomes one of the most expensive mistakes over time. And such costly mistakes might also lead you to a filter guarding fuel. Number 2. Fuel filter. The fuel filter is the hidden bodyguard of your entire fuel system. It sits in the line between the tank and the engine. Its only mission is to catch dirt, rust, and tiny particles before they reach expensive parts. Fuel never arrives perfectly clean. Tiny bits from the tank, old fuel, or even the gas station storage tank can drift into your car. The fuel filter stops that contamination before it turns into a major repair. When the filter is clean, fuel moves through with the right pressure. The engine gets a steady supply. Combustion stays smooth. Acceleration feels consistent. Cold starts are quick. Modern injectors rely on very fine holes to spray fuel in a perfect pattern. Clean fuel protects those passages. It also improves atomization. That means better burning, fewer deposits, and better fuel economy. A clean filter also protects the pump by reducing strain. Ignore the filter long enough, and the problems appear slowly. Debris fills the media. Flow becomes restricted. The engine begins to starve. At first, you may notice a slight hesitation or weaker acceleration. Later, the car may feel tired on hills. You may feel stumbling at high speeds or a rough idle. Cold starts can take longer. That is the engine telling you it is not getting enough fuel. The pump suffers too. It has to push harder against the blockage. That extra load creates more heat. Heat wears out the pump faster. Replacing a modern in-tank pump is not cheap. It is also a time-consuming job. A clogged filter can even restrict flow so much that the engine stalls or refuses to start. If the filter fails to stop debris, the opposite problem occurs. Dirt gets through. Grit can scratch injectors or jam them. Damaged injectors cause leaking, misfires, and high fuel use. Soot increases, and the exhaust can turn smoky. Those repairs cost far more than a filter. Most manufacturers suggest replacing the fuel filter every 30 to 60,000 miles. Drivers in dusty areas or those who use low-quality fuel should do it even sooner. A fresh filter keeps the pump safe, protects injectors, and keeps performance strong. Well, that strong performance begins to fade when oil stops flowing clean. Number 1. Oil filter. The oil filter is one of those parts you almost never see, but it works harder than most people realize. Every time the engine runs, the crankshaft spins at high speed and the pistons fly up and down. Oil moves through tiny passages to stop all that metal from tearing itself apart. On the way, it passes through the oil filter. The filter traps dirt, soot, metal shavings, and oxidized oil. Without it, that junk would circle through the engine again. Unfiltered oil behaves like liquid sandpaper. It can wear bearings, scuff pump components, and damage surfaces in a very short time. A fresh filter keeps the oil flowing with the right pressure. Lubrication stays even. The engine runs smoother. Fuel efficiency improves. Modern engines rely on tight spaces and narrow oil galleries. Even a little sludge or grit can cause trouble. Industry articles point out that dirty oil can clog passages, starve moving parts, and lead to major failures. Good filtration keeps that risk low. Let the filter sit in there too long and it starts to clog. It fills up with everything it has caught. Oil flow drops. Pressure can fall. Warning lights may appear. Some engines make knocking noises because parts are not getting enough oil. Heat also rises. Most filters have a bypass valve, so the engine does not fail instantly. That sounds helpful, but there is a problem. Once the bypass opens, the engine pumps unfiltered oil. All the trapped grit now moves straight to the bearings, cam lobes, and high load parts. Wear increases at a much faster rate. Sludge builds over time. Sludge becomes thick and sticky. It blocks passages and traps heat. It can seize moving parts. Some engines fail without warning once sludge takes over. That is why manufacturers tell drivers to change oil and the filter together at regular intervals, usually between 5 and 10,000 miles. Skipping filter changes does not save money. It slowly turns a healthy engine into a damaged one. A simple filter protects an engine worth thousands. Replacing it on time is one of the cheapest ways to keep the car reliable. And that wraps up the breakdown of 5 filters that need your attention. Did you find this video helpful? Which of these tips did you find the most interesting? Drop your pick in the comments, and click here for the next video right now before another hidden problem costs you more than you think.